Hello. Welcome to our daily English conversation show. I am so happy you are here with me today. Today we will learn 50 English conversations you can use every day. These are real conversations people have. You will hear these conversations at home, at work, in stores, and with friends every single day. Learning these conversations will help you talk to English speakers easily. You will feel more confident speaking English. Each conversation is short and simple. You can practice them with friends, family, or by yourself. Are you ready to learn 50 useful English conversations? Let's start speaking English together right now. Conversation 1. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Conversation 2. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept very well. How about you? I slept okay, but I'm still tired. Conversation 3. What time is it? It's 7:30. Oh no, I'm late for work. You better hurry up then. Conversation 4. What's for breakfast? I made eggs and toast. That sounds delicious. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Conversation 5. Is it sunny today? Yes, it's very sunny and warm. Perfect. I'll wear my light jacket today. Good idea. Have a nice day. Conversation 6. Where are my keys? I think they're on the kitchen table.
Found them.
Thanks for your help. No problem. Glad I could help. Conversation 7. I need to brush my teeth. The toothbrush is in the bathroom. Thanks. I'll be ready in 5 minutes. Take your time. No rush. Conversation 8. What's the weather like? It's cold and rainy outside today. I should bring an umbrella then. Yes, that's a good idea. Conversation 9. Are you ready to go? Almost ready. Just need my shoes. Okay, I'll wait for you outside. I'll be there in 2 minutes. Conversation 10. Have a great day. Thank you. You too. See you tonight for dinner. See you later. Drive safely. Conversation 11. How much does this cost? It costs $20. That's too expensive for me. We have cheaper options over there. Conversation 12. Where is the milk? It's in the back near the eggs. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Anything else you need? Conversation 13. Do you have this in blue? Let me check for you. Thanks, I really prefer blue color. Here it is. Would you like to try it? Conversation 14. Can I pay with credit card? Yes, we accept all major cards. Great! I don't have cash today. No problem. Insert your card here. Conversation 15. Is this on sale today? Yes, it's 50% off. Wow! That's a really good deal. Yes, the sale ends tomorrow night. Conversation 16. I need a receipt, please. Of course. Here's your receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Thanks for shopping here. Conversation 17. Where can I find bread? Aisle 3 on your left side. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything. Conversation 18 asterisk asterisk. This apple looks bad. I'm sorry. Let me get fresh ones. Thank you for understanding. No problem. We want happy customers. Conversation 19. Do you have bags? Yes. Would you like paper or plastic? Paper bags, please. Here you go. Have a wonderful day. Conversation 20. Can I return this? Do you have the receipt? Yes, here it is. No problem. I'll process your return now. Conversation 21. Good morning, how was your weekend? It was great. I went hiking. That sounds fun and relaxing. Yes, I love being in nature. Conversation 22. Can you help me? Sure, what do you need? I don't understand this computer program. Let me show you how it works. Conversation 23. What time is the meeting? It starts at 2 o'clock. Where is it going to be? In the main conference room. Conversation 24. I finished the report. Great. Can you send it to me? I'll email it right now. Perfect. Thank you for your hard work. Conversation 25. Are you free for lunch? Yes, I'm free at noon. Let's go to that new restaurant. Sounds good. I'll meet you there. Conversation 26. The printer is not working. Did you try turning it off and on? Yes, but it still doesn't work. I'll call the tech support team. Conversation 27. Can I leave early today? Why do you need to leave? I have a doctor's appointment. That's fine. See you tomorrow morning. Conversation 28. How's your project going? It's going well, almost finished. When will it be done? I think by the end of this week. Conversation 29. We need more coffee. I'll buy some during lunch break. Thanks! Get the regular kind, please. No problem. I'll pick some up. Conversation 30. Have a good evening. Thanks. You too. See you bright and early tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Drive home safely. Conversation 31. Table for two, please. Right this way, please follow me. Thank you very much. Here's your table. Your waiter will be right over. Conversation 32. What would you like to drink? I'll have water, please. And for you, sir? Coffee for me, thank you very much. Conversation 33. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have the chicken salad. How would you like that cooked? Well done, please. Thank you. Conversation 34. Is everything okay here? Yes, the food is delicious. I'm glad you're enjoying it. The service here is excellent, too. Conversation 35. Can I get the check? Of course. I'll bring it right over. Thank you for the great service. It was my pleasure serving you. Conversation 36. This soup is too cold. I'm so sorry. Let me fix that. Thank you for understanding. I'll bring you a hot bowl immediately. Conversation 37. What do you recommend? The fish is very fresh today. That sounds perfect for me. Excellent choice. You'll love it, I'm sure. Conversation 38. Can we sit outside? Yes, we have outdoor seating available. Perfect. It's such a nice day. Right this way to our patio area. Conversation 39. Do you have vegetarian options? Yes, we have several vegetarian dishes. Can you show me the menu? Here's our special vegetarian menu section. Conversation 40. The meal was wonderful. I'm so happy you enjoyed it. We'll definitely come back again soon. We look forward to seeing you again. Conversation 41. How was your day? It was busy but good. How about yours? Pretty good. I got a lot done. That's great to hear. I'm glad. Conversation 42. What's for dinner tonight? I'm making pasta with chicken. That sounds really delicious. It'll be ready in about 30 minutes. Conversation 43. Want to watch a movie? Sure. What kind of movie? How about a comedy? Perfect! I need a good laugh tonight. Conversation 44. I'm really tired today. You should go to bed early. Yes, I think I will. Good idea. You need your rest. Conversation 45. Did you lock the door? Yes, I always lock it. Good. Safety is very important. I agree. Better to be safe. Conversation 46. What time should we wake up? Let's wake up at 7 tomorrow. Okay, I'll set my alarm clock. Good night. Sleep well tonight. Conversation 47. The kids are finally asleep. Great! Now we can relax. Want some tea or coffee? Tea sounds perfect right now. Conversation 48. Tomorrow is going to be busy. What do you have planned? Meetings all day at work. Good luck. You'll do great. Conversation 49. I love spending time with you. I love spending time with you too. You make me very happy. You make me happy as well. Conversation 50. Good night, sweet dreams. Good night. See you tomorrow morning. Sleep tight, don't let bugs bite. You're so silly. Good night. Practice saying both parts of each conversation. You can be person A and person B. Record yourself saying the conversations. Listen back and practice your pronunciation and rhythm. Practice with a friend or family member. Take turns being different people in the conversations. Use these conversations in real-life situations. Try them at stores, restaurants, and work. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to communicate and be understood by others. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush when you're talking to other people in English. Listen carefully to the other person. Good conversations need good listening skills, too. Use simple words like these conversations. Simple English is often the best English to use. Smile when you talk. This makes people feel comfortable and happy to talk with you. Practice every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Daily practice makes you better. Great job! You learned 50 useful English conversations that you can use every single day. These conversations will help you at home, work, stores, restaurants, and with friends and family. Practice these conversations every day. The more you practice, the easier they will become for you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language like English. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, and your English conversations will get better.